Hello guys, welcome to the video of the month of August. Yes, it's the right month. Welcome to this new video of this month. I promised I'll try to make one monthly video, so here it is on this month, even if I don't have much new to say. This video is for two reasons: is to keep you updated and to show you unboxings of something that arrived for me today, really today. So don't worry about the car being crooked up, inclined. It's really like this. I had to raise it up in the back so I can unbolt a screw from the rear shock suspension. Yes, so I have to get leverage and angle to crank up the bolt, so it's crooked like that. First update. The first update is from something I will try to solve on my daily car. Is the Militar, the green one I have. The gear linkage is busted. I only have third and fourth. That's because the gear linkage, it's the first generation of those gears linkages. So this is the second one for the 02 models, 02, 010, and it comes with these aluminum bars that I want to keep because my car is a 99. So it's a try, because this gear linkage for my car is about 700 euros, and this is the cheapest option, is to buy the model 02 10 and try to retain these bars and see if they fit in the other. It's a long shot. I have to try because 700 euros for this part alone, it's too much. I don't know how parts can maintain the prices as they are new, but what else? Maptune sells a kit, but that kit is from some metal bushings. It's from this part, and this is for replacing these plastic ones in the 0210 model year. For my part is for my model year, there is no upgraded version of this. It's a brand new or nothing else. But as you see, the 02 has this flange to be mounted in the gearbox, and this is not the correct part. Once again, this is not correct part for my car, for the models 98 to 2000. It's not the correct part. I ordered, so if I can retain these bars, that's the long shot I'm trying to solve. This is a small update for you to know. Let's see how it goes. So I'm not working on my car. I'm on holiday, so I don't work on the cars. I'm driving with the gasoline powered one, my Prata. So let's see. Later I'll give you some update. But the other thing is for the race car. I had, as I've told you, I had some talks with a guy in England to buy the coilovers from, there are the Maptune first generation coilovers for the first generation cars. It's an old model, but is the correct part to plug and play. There's nothing else to do. But I was with talks with the guy, and I committed to buy the coilovers for him for a month, a full month. Every week I'll try to message him 2 times, and he has a lot of troubles, and he waited a full month to put the coilovers in a box, and wait almost another 2 weeks to send me some pictures and some details of the coilovers. and I was fed up and told me forget it. I'll rather order some coilovers that are not plug and play and work with them and are new. He was trying to sell me that kit for 350 euros. That's not too bad considering it's one-off. There is nothing like that at sale, and it was plug and play. So for almost the same amount, I bought the coilovers from Max Speeding Rods. Here it is. I'm not sponsored by them. I'll be honest with you. Don't tell anybody, okay? This is not the unboxing as really should be, because I already opened it to show you to my Portuguese followers. So this is the unboxing for the UK language around the world, or American language around the world. I sealed it up and will do the same unboxing for you too, but it's not a true unboxing because I already did it in the previous video for my Portuguese fellows. So let's jump right in and see what this kit is all about, okay? First of all, this is not a Saab kit. It's for the Mitsubishi Eclipse generation from 99 to 05. I'm following the video of Jonas Kakariskas, a fellow in Sweden, that did this same mod to his O2 car. I think it's a 2 or 4 car. It's a yellow one. It was a gray one that he bought and did lots of upgrades, put around 500 horsepower in the car, and did this mod to his car. So I bought the same kit and will do some more modifications to this kit, because between the 97 or 98 model and the 02 or 4 there are differences in the subframe and the knuckles, so I have to do a little more changes to the kit. But let's jump right in the unboxing, okay? So let's go. So once again, I'm not sponsored by them. I'll do this unboxing as a gift for you to see the things I'm doing to my race car. And let's go find the same unboxing I did. So as I said, this is a Mitsubishi kit, but it's very close to the Saab. It's the closest to the Saab part. So as you see, it's only foam. Let's see how this is shipped. It's not too bad. It's really nice. So let's see what this is inside. So it has two keys for adjusting the nuts in the coilovers and an Allen key. It has for the rear it has a 7 kilo spring, adjustable here in the top. I believe this is a 24-way adjusting kit, and is also adjustable here in the low ultra. And this is a true style coilover, as you do some preload and then move the height, adjusting this nut here and putting the height all the way to the top as it is right now, using the max up, and you lock it with the nut here. And okay, I'll give it a twist with the nut and that's it. So the rear one is a 7 kilo spring. And the front one it's heavier. And okay, I'm in frame again. This is that's the difference here in the 0207 is this width and the bolts, this bolt distance between here and here. That's the mods I have to do, and I'll be having camber plates and the adjustability here also. So this is a 24-way adjustable piece. And the front spring is with a 10 kilo spring, so it's very good for the kit I have. So I'm tired, it's heavy. Let's adjust this again so I can talk with you in a more framed way. Okay, I think it's good. It's good. I think it is. Yeah, it is. So sorry for this unboxing, the second one. But I thought you should also have an unboxing like the Portuguese version. So that's the news I have to give you. The car is, as you can see, it's not crooked. It's really like this because I'm doing some bolts to install the coilovers. If you want some more details on this installment of these coilovers to this car, you can have two ways, or you have 200 likes and in this video and I'll show you the progress, or you can follow Jonas Cacaricas in the YouTube and he has done the same to his car. I'll be watching his videos as a guide. So there's the two ways you can have. As you can see, what I have to do with this kit. I have two modifications to do, as I've shown you. But if you click in the like button, and there's 200 of you, I'll show you the videos on the progress I'm doing with this kit, okay? It's a promise if you do that in this video. So comment and subscribe, click the bell and all this good stuff as you are used to do. So that's the news for today, or this month. We are in vacations, I'm in vacations. I only took some crappy weather today to do this video, and if it was good, I'm for sure I was on the beach with my wife. So that's it, that's the video done. If you please do me the favor and click the buttons and subscribe and click the like button also. Thank you for the messages I have been receiving about the car. I'll try to be in the next track day, that is in the month of September. October. September there is no track day. So there are two in October at Estoril. One is in the 2 of October and the other one is in the 23rd of October. I will try to be at least one of them. At least one of them I'll try to be. So to check how's the setup with the car with the new coilovers. Is for sure is better than what I have now. Now I have the original suspension with shorter and harder springs, but the shocks is the OEM version, so they are very tired. And you can see that in also in the previous video with my brother filming my car, as in the parabolic and the turns, the rear left and the rear right and the body roll was too great, so I have to cut that, and that's why I ended up buying the coilovers. If I can try at least cut the body roll with hard springs and coilovers, that would be awesome. It is good to keep the car in the right path in the track, so I can be doing consistent lap times. So that's it. Thank you for your support. Thank you for the likes and the comments you'll do and the messages you bring me and gave me. Thank you very much for all that feedback, and it's a promise. If this video have 200 likes, I will do some keep up videos showing the mods I have to do with these coilovers to fit in my car. Okay, it's a promise. So thank you very much, and bye bye. Have a nice holidays and vacations. Try to catch good weather. Please be safe, and until next month. Thank you. Bye.